Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today's makeup tutorial is very beginner friendly and I am going to be teaching you guys how to achieve a simple but full glam makeup tutorial. So I don't know where you're watching from, whether you're watching on your mobile device, your TV or your laptop. I want you to get your makeup tools ready and just follow me step by step how I achieve this look. Like I said, this is very easy, especially the eyeshadow application. Just 2 to 3 colors and that's it. We're done for the day. So hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial and let's start. So I'm filling my brows with my brow powder. I Sculpt Eye Shade from Juvias, please. Shade here. So for foundation, I'm going to be combining 2 foundations, and the first one I'm going to be applying is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Impeccable Second Skin Blurring Matte Foundation. Is the foundation that I'm going to apply first all over my face, then followed by my Stilla Cosmetics foundation. This is their stick foundation and the shade is Espresso 15. So I've had this for quite a while. I don't even know how hygienic it is, but then I'm going to use it anyway. So I know you might be wondering why I need to apply a second foundation, but to be honest, I love my foundation. It beats cakey. I know it's strange, but I just love it that way. I'm just going to be, I'll apply just a little bit. So I'm going to attempt to create a cut crease for the look that I'm going for. And somewhere in TikTok, I saw someone use her eyeliner to kind of draw a line across her crease. So I don't know, I'm really scared because, well, if I make a mistake, so be it, but I'm going to attempt it. This is so scary. I'm going to use my brush, and so I'm going to be taking this shade and applying it on top of this eyeliner that I just applied across my crease. This is from my brow powder palette. So I feel like there wasn't even any need for applying the eyeliner. I can just go ahead and use my brush and just, you know, sweep the eyeshadow across the crease. So I'm going to blend out the eyeshadow, and I'll be taking a little bit of this shade here. So I'm going back to the previous eyeshadow that I used. So I am taking my Juvias Place I Prep I Prime eyeshadow primer. The head is decapitated, guys. So I am going to use it and attempt to create a cut crease. So I'm going to be applying this shade here, Woruba, this yellow shade, on the eyelids. So the first concealer I'm going to be applying is J10 from the Juvias Place I Am Magic Concealer. Then the next concealer is J11. Next, I'm taking Very Berry for blush. So the first setting powder that I'll be taking is Warm Honey from Juvias Place. So I'll be applying a second setting powder, which is Shortbread. For lashes, I'm going to be wearing Midnight Locks from House of Lashes. I haven't worn these lashes in a while, so I'm very excited. These lashes are so simple and natural looking, and I'm living for it. Next, I am going to be lining my lips. This is Cola. So I swapped Cola for Coffee Bean because the pencil just broke into two, so it's not useful anymore. So for lipstick, I'm taking Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. gloss, I'm taking Hot Chocolate by Fenty Beauty. So my loves, hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Makeup these days is just so boring, you know, nude looks, no makeup, clean girl aesthetics and all that. But then a bright pop of color is always necessary to elevate your look from zero to vavavoom. So that is what I achieved in today's makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it with your loved ones. And I hope to see you on this channel next time. Thank you so much and see you later. Bye.